Hi there folks, it's been a while since we've posted a video and I thought that I would show you a brand new passport wallet. So we came up with this design because I wanted something that was significantly smaller than most of the full feature passport wallets out there, something that can hold a boarding pass, a bunch of cards and a whole bunch of cash. So this is what we've come up with. It has a fold over design where most of the wallet is one piece of leather, and then there are a couple more layers. So it comes in two colors. This is the bug brown, and this is the mahogany. Both of them are harness leathers from Wicket and Craig, and they get a really fantastic patina. All right, now let's look at a close-up. So as you can see, it has some beautiful markings and natural variation of the grain that is a mark of authenticity for full grain leather. And we don't really try to hide natural scars and marks of that sort. So as you can see, it has a nice pattern here on the back. You can fit 8 cards. It has 2 pockets for passports. Let me show you. It's a nice firm fit. It also has a lot of room for cash. So in the second compartment, you can either fit a boarding pass or you can put another passport in there. You could maybe even put a small notebook if you want to document your travels or whatever you may use it for. So we have it in the mahogany and the buck brown harness leathers, and let's just look at them from different angles. So what you will notice is that each wallet is going to be significantly different. Although it comes from the same sheet of leather, because of the fact that it's a completely natural product, the grain varies quite a bit from one side to the other. So this guy has a distinctive grain as compared to this wallet. So each wallet is going to be very unique. So like all of our other wallets, this is also hand stitched, hand burnished. The edges are burnished by hand, and it's been stamped with a brass stamp on the inside as well as on the outside. So our passport wallet is significantly smaller than most of the other travel, full-feature travel and passport wallets out there, but fits just as much. So for the sake of reference, I want to show you the difference in size between a regular classic wallet, which fits about 8 cards and some cash. So as you can see, this is significantly larger than the classic wallet, but it does fit in your jeans pocket, at least in men's jeans pocket. Back pocket fits really well. In the front pocket, even better. So, alright folks, so check this out on our website. These are not going to be available for too long, and we are going to make only a few in this current selection of leathers and colors, so get them while you can. Until next time, thank you for watching.